DC Studios and Warner Bros. Have released the full official trailer for Clayface, and with it comes the first detailed plot synopsis the studio has ever put out for the James Watkins horror film. The tagline Meet the New Face of Gotham. Until today, WB had only offered vague logline language about Matt Hagen's descent. The trailer description changed that with story specifics the studio has never confirmed before. Per the official description, Hagen's rise from Gotham Street kid to Hollywood leading man is cut short when a local crime boss's action leaves him horribly disfigured. Abandoned by his team with nothing left, he seeks out a cutting edge treatment that miraculously restores him. But it also affects his grip on reality, sending him down a destructive path of all consuming revenge. So the pieces are now official. A crime boss is responsible for Hagen's disfigurement. The treatment that saves him is what breaks him, and the story is a revenge spiral driven by obsession rather than a mad science supervillain origin. Worth noting, a detailed synopsis leaked around last month test screening chatter that included a mob element that it was widely flagged at the time as possibly fake, including by us. The crime boss reveal in today's official description means at least that part of the leak was accurate. The rest of the leaked detail remain unconfirmed by the track record just improved. Comic fans will recognize the shape of this immediately. An actor whose face is destroyed, a miracle treatment that restore him at a terrible cost, and a obsessive unraveling that is the Batman the animated series version of Matt Hagen, widely considered the definite take on the character. The film appeared to be swapping the animated series' corrupt businessman for a crime boss, but the DNA is unmistakable. This trailer also explained the revised production sheet WB quietly issued yesterday, snapped as 7/20/26, which rewrote the synopsis to reframe Hagen from a revenge filled monster to a disfigured victim seeking revenge. That new language appeared word for word in the trailer description. The sheet was revised to sync with this trailer launch. The victim framing matches the story WB is now telling. Hagen as a man things were done to, not a monster who chose this. One more detail that carry over, the trailer description says Clayface will be released only in theaters in North America on October 23, 2026. No IMAX mentioned here, either matching the two consecutive production sheet that dropped the format. The trailer racked up over 3 lakh 12,000 views and 40,000 likes on YouTube within its first hour. Clayface stars Tom Rhys Harris as Matt Hagen alongside Naomi Aki, David Densick, Max Minghella, Eddie Merson, Nancy Carroll, and Joshua James. James Watkins direct from a screenplay by Mike Flanagan and Hossein Amini, story by Flanagan based on character from DC with music by Volker Bertelmann. The film opened in theaters October 23.